I'm not a vaccination specialist. Some lawyers do that. That's not my thing. I did some cases 30 years ago that related to it, but I haven't spent this time doing that. I do other work. The question in the society are, what are the fundamental rights? How do you define them? What are they? And how do you safeguard them? Now, for me, this set of issues is about a bunch of fundamental rights. Your body is something which you, as a guardian of your child, control. And you control it until there's some other compelling state interest. Here, there are some problems. The biggest problem is that there's really not a whole lot of science supporting vaccines. The science, as I've been studying the science in the last period of 2 months, is pretty debatable and weak. So, do you have a compelling state interest in that context in forcing a person against his or her beliefs, whether they be religious beliefs or, as recognized by 20 states, philosophical beliefs, personal beliefs? Do you have the right to require someone to engage in that regime? So, rights of privacy, rights of family autonomy, which have been recognized by the Supreme Court as well. Very critical right that's at stake here. A right of people to choose a school, which again has been recognized since the Society of Sisters case, 1920s. People do have a right to choose public education. And there are schools which have different philosophies with regard to vaccinations consistent with their overall philosophies than other schools. Frankly, my takeaway is that Rockland County was not really concerned about public health. They had some other agenda items that were even more important than public health. Arbitrary executive rule, decisions which are made without any real authorization from anyone, especially when they're made allegedly in the public interest, can lead us to a society where our rights are marginalized and minimized. Big pharma has to be stopped and it has to be regulated, and it cannot be trusted. It's that simple.